Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can repair an lead acid battery. So you can see the battery that I'm having here. So this is a very old battery. I bought this battery um in 2016, and I haven't used this after the May of 2016. So recently I found these batteries. Honestly, I have six of these batteries, and I checked the voltage of this battery, and it is showing 0 volts. So this is completely discharged. So I didn't know this is an lead acid battery. So uh, I just did a little research about this kind of batteries, and I found out that this is an lead acid battery. This is 4 volt lead acid battery. So this is supposed to have nearly 4 volts or 4.1, 4.2 volts in this battery. So you can find these batteries most commonly in rechargeable torches, that emergency light we commonly called penguin lights kind of equipments. You can find these kind of batteries, and you can find these batteries in different sizes and in different colors. So this is blue and white color battery, but you can find completely black color batteries, and also I have seen red color batteries also, and in black batteries you can find different sizes also. So basically all those batteries are 4 volt batteries, and if you can find if you see the all around this battery, if you see any kind of this kind of space here, then you can assume that this is a lead acid battery, and you can try to open this using a little uh, pointy thing, any kind of tool using pointy thing. So let me open this. It's a little bit hard to open this using one hand, so okay, you see, uh, like this you can open this place. You just have to put a little power to that space and lift it up, then this lid will come off, and you can see these rubber caps here. What you have to do is, if your batteries are discharged completely, or it's not keeping the voltage for a certain time, then you what you have to check is you have to remove these caps. These are very easy to remove. You can by hand also you can remove these caps like this. Okay, now you can see the acid containers. So, and there are three places like two containers like this. You just have to remove the cap and fill the distilled water, that battery water, to these holes. You can use a syringe and fill these two holes using that syringe, and then you can connect a 5 volt phone charger or USB cable to these two terminals, and you can charge this for nearly 40 minutes. So the time I use to charge these batteries are 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes this battery normally charge up to 4.0, 3.9 kind of voltage. So then you can check in idle situation how long this battery gonna charge, gonna keep this charge. And I have charged this before 3 or 4 days back, and this is still keeping 3.9 volt charge in this battery. So these batteries are completely good now, and my all 6 batteries are remaining the same condition. So so that's it for this video, guys. So what I want to say in this video is, if you find this kind of battery, the main problem most times gonna occur is the battery water level has dropped down, and what you have to do is you have to put some battery water into this, and you can use a syringe to fill this. And that's it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching this video, and let's meet with another good video. Thank you.